Hey Elijah, how you doing? Wayne Ulery here, Columbiana Cadillac Buick Chevrolet, and it was great meeting you today. Thanks for the vacation discount, appreciate that, and the warm welcome at the B&I group today. I'm standing in front of 2 rows of used vehicles that we have here, both behind me, and we have another lot as well. So I know you're interested in a SUV. Let's talk. Welcome you to come out and visit the dealership, and we can take a few for a test drive and see what fits you best. All right, my friend, thanks a lot. Have a great day. Give me a call, 888-221-6729. Wayne Ulery here at Columbiana Cadillac Buick Chevrolet. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.